Alright guys, so this is the we do after that huge I do. This is going to be a we do, so kind of a chance for us to practice together. I hope you guys are trying it and trying to stay ahead of me. That's the best way to do a we do. So let's go ahead and let's do step 1. If you don't remember what step 1 is, look back. Step 1 is for us to group the first two terms and the second two terms. So here's step 1. Step 2, let's go ahead and let's factor out the GCF from the first two terms. So out of the first two terms, I can factor out a 4k. So when I divide this by 4k, 32 divided by 4 gives me 8. K squared over k leaves me with just a k. 12k divided by 4k, k's cancel out. 12 divided by 4 is plus 3. Out of the second term, do you guys see how both of these are negatives? We're going to go ahead and factor out a negative, let's see, 56 and 21. I think that's a negative 7. So let's factor out a negative 7. 56 divided by 7 is going to give us 8. And then we have the k right here. 21 divided by 7, that's going to give me plus 3. Alright, that is step 2. Alright, and let's go ahead and let's do step 3. Step 3 will be to factor the common binomial. So looking at this huge mess, remember binomial is two terms. What can we take out? What can we undistribute? Right, I'm going to write right here. Undistribute. What can I undistribute? Whoops, that was hideous. What can I undistribute from both of these? Think about it. If you're doing this and you're waiting for the answer, think about it. Look at both of these. What do they both share? If you said 8k plus 3, you are correct. They both have an 8k plus 3, so I'm going to undistribute it, aka factor it out. So I have 8k. I regret choosing yellow. Let's choose a different color. Let's do this one. Let's factor out 8k plus 3. That's going to cancel out this. It's going to cancel out this because I'm factoring it out, so it's technically out of it now. So what is left? I'm left with a 4k and a negative 7. Alright, and let's go ahead and let's double check our answers. Let's do right here 8k plus 3 and 4k minus 7. So 8k times 4k is 32k squared plus 12k and negative 56k minus 21. Hey, I think that's the exact same. Alright, so hopefully that you do kind of got you a little bit more comfortable. Go ahead and do the second you do first, or try it with me, try to stay ahead of me. At this point you're trying it and you're not just watching. Alright, for the second we do, let's go ahead and let's group the first two terms and the second two terms. Alright, so out of the first two terms, I can factor out 2b squared negative 5b. I can factor out a b. So factor out a b leaves me with 2b minus 5. Alright, second term, I can factor out a. I think out of 10b and negative 5, I think I can take out a 5. Let's take out a positive 5. And that's going to leave me with 10 divided by 5 is 2b minus 5. That is step 2. Step 3 is let's go ahead and let's identify the common factor, the common binomial. So out of these are technically two terms now. Out of these two terms, the common binomial, if you could see it, is 2b minus 5. So I'm going to factor them out. And I have 2b minus 5. And what's left when I take them out is I have a b and a 5. So a b plus 5. And let's go ahead and let's double check our answers real quick. Alright, 2b times b is going to give us 2b squared. 2b times 5 is plus 10b. Negative 5 times b is negative 5b and minus 25. Oh, that's it. So even though it doesn't look exactly like this, I just have these two in a different order, right? But that doesn't, when it comes to addition, the order doesn't matter, because if I do 3 plus 4, that is the same as 4 plus 3. Alright, thank you. Let's go ahead and try the you do. I know these are hard. Try the you do, please.